And she's like looking at the smoke. And then people are like, I want to drive over there.
It's okay.
Don't breathe. Anyway. Will It Blend. You ever seen the Will It Blend guy on YouTube? They have these big fancy blenders. They're like industrial blenders, and they're trying to sell them with these commercials called Will It Blend, where they throw God knows what in there. They've ground golf clubs, the heads of sledgehammers. Back when the iPod first came out, they brought an iPod in there. And it's like, the guy always pours it out to show you that it completely like powderized it. And he's always like, whatever it is, it's like, that's iPod dust. Don't want to breathe that.
What's Dee Dee's brother's name, Joe?
What?
Dexter.
Dexter.
Dexter Dee Dee.
In Dexter's Lab. That was a great cartoon. Why'd they stop making that damn thing? In Dexter's Lab. Is it cold? Is it cold?
I ran out all his propane tank.
Oh my baby.
Run, Kelly, run!
Run, Kelly, before it blows off your butt. There's a YouTube compilation video that came out today of guys shooting water rockets out their butts. It's hilarious. There's like 3 of them that go off prematurely before they fly.
America.
Did you hear her? It's America. America. This is lame. Blow up or something. There it goes.
Smoky. Ew. That's what I say. Ew.
Look at all them colors. And sparks. And camera flashes.
Man, that one has a lot of smoke in it. Fireworks smell nasty, Daddy.
Bailey just goes, it's America!
Well, look at it this way. At least there aren't going to be any bugs over this way.
Oh, look at the pretty colors.
Yeah, we get some heights now. It's almost as tall as me. Sky, you and your crybaby pictures. If there's ever a child crying,